Hello friends, welcome back to Cad3d. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define this total as 113 mm, define this width as 80 mm. Now here we'll go to fillet, take here a fillet of radius 15, select here, select this corner and select this corner. Exit, finish sketch and here take extrude of 7.5 mm and press OK. Select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the profile. Now we are going to make the pattern profile. Go to circle command and make one circle here of diameter 20 and here one more circle of diameter 30. Similarly, we will make two circles here and two circles here and two circles here. Okay, go to dimension, define this as 20 and define this as 30. Okay, now go to equal constraint, select this inner circle, press Ctrl and select this inner circle and this inner circle. Okay, now escape. Now go to equal constraint once again. Now select the outer circle and press Ctrl, select this outer and select this outer. So these are of same diameter now. Go to dimension, define the center distance as 40 and the center to center distance of these two profiles as 80. Okay. Similarly here, define this distance as 45 by 2 and define this total as 45. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point, select this center and select this center. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this center, select this center, select this and select this. Now they are fully constrained. Now go to arc command. Here we are going to take 3-point arc. Select this profile and select here. Make one joining profile here. Make one joining here. And make one joining here. Okay. Now escape. Now we have 4 arcs. Go to dimension. Define the radius as 15 mm. Okay. Go to equal constraint. Select this, select this, select this and select this, select this and select this. Now all the 4 arcs are of 15 radius. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this and select this arc and select this circle. Select this circle and arc. Now arc and circle. Similarly here select this 2 and select this 2. Select this and this and this and this. Okay. Now escape. Now I want a offset profile of these arc profiles. So I'll take offset, select this arc, drag the cursor inside, press enter and take offset of 5 mm. Similarly here select this, drag cursor inside, enter 5 mm. Select this arc, cursor inside, enter 5 mm. Now select this, cursor inside, enter and 5 mm. Now escape. So these are offset 5 mm to inside profile. Okay. Now go to trim. Now trim these inner profiles. Trim these two trim this, trim this and this, trim this and this. Okay. Now here we are complete with the profile. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Select the this bounded profile. Okay. The boundary profiles we will select. We will not select this inner profile. So press shift and deselect this. Select here, select here, select here and select here. Go to top view. Now you can see this profile we have selected. Okay. Go to home. Now here we will define the distance 17.5 mm. This will be a join profile and press OK. Now here go to fillet command. Take a fillet radius of 3 mm and here we will give fillet to inner edges. Select here, rotate, select here, select here, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge and select this edge. Okay. Go to home. Now press OK. From top view this profile will look like this. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, 2-point center rectangle and here click on construction geometry. So this will be a reference rectangle. Select this point and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension, define the distance from here as 15 mm. Okay. And here the width will be of 50 mm. Now take point command, place points on these edges, 4 points we will take and finish. Go to home, take here hole command and here we are going to take a simple hole. Seed will be none. This will be a through hole and the dia here will be of 10 mm. Okay. Go to top view. Automatically the software will select the points and press OK. Go to home. Now select this outer edge. Take here the fillet. So it will select all the surrounding edges. Take a radius of 1 mm and press OK. Okay. Now we'll define the appearance from here. I'll take the magenta color. So I'll click here M. So you'll find the magenta color. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a pattern profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.